All right, let's take a look at example 1. It wants us to simplify. So I see that we have a base here and a base of -6 and a base of -2. So we're going to multiply those. -6 times -2. Okay, we are going to get positive 12. All right, then we're going to take the x to the 4th and x to the 9th. And that means that I have a base of x and a 4 plus 9 as my exponents, which is x to the 13th. Finally, I have y to the 12th and y. So I got to remember that I can add a 1 there on that y. So it is really y to the 12 plus 1, which equals y to the 13th. Putting it all together, I get 12, x to the 13th, y to the 13th. If you look at number 2, okay, what that means is I have a couple things. I have an exponent on the outside of a parentheses. So that means that I need to put 1s on all of the bases inside, and then we're going to distribute to just the exponents. So that's -3, and then 1 times -3, and then a to the 5th times 3. Oh, that's positive 3, sorry. And then we have, let me fix that. Oh, what's going on here? There we go. A to the 3rd, a to the 5th times 3. And then we're going to have b to the 1st times 3. Simplifying that, we get -3 times to the 3rd power. And then a is 5 times 3, which is 15. And then b is 3. So we got to clarify this. That's -3 times -3 times -3. That's repeated multiplication. So negative times a negative is a positive, times a negative is a negative. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, so it's -27. So we get -27, a to the 15th, b to the 3rd. And then if you look at number 3, we have a whole lot going on here. Okay, so let's simplify the tops together. Let's just work out the top. Okay, so that is -2 times 4, which is -8. Then we have a, and its exponents are 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7 equals 9, a to the 9th. And then we have b, which has a 1, and then b, which has a 2. I'm going to write b to the 1 plus 2 equals b to the 3rd. So on top, I'm going to have -8, a to the 9th, b to the 3rd. Now let's look at the bottom. Okay, we're going to take 3 times 2, which is 6. Then we're going to take a, which is 3, and then, oh, that should have been an a there as well, sorry, plus 6.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, okay.
So we get a to the 9th. And then we're going to take the b's on the bottom. And we're going to have b to the 2nd plus nothing over there. So you get b squared. All right, so then on the bottom, we're going to get 6, a to the 9th, b squared. Put it all together. If you remember from the top, we had -8, a to the 9th, b cubed, over 6, a to the 9th, b squared. So we can do -8 over 6. That's going to reduce by 2. So we're going to divide that by 2, divide that by 2. You're going to get -4 over 3. Then we can do this. We're going to get a to the 9 minus 9, which is a to the 0, which is just 1. So we're going to have times 1 up on top. And then here, we're going to take care of the b's. You're going to get b3 minus 2, which is b to the 1st, and that's up on top because the way it worked out. All right, then here we go. We have simplification, -4 times 1, which is -4, b to the 1st over 3. And we really don't need the b to the 1st part.